Hello Mzansi, it's Agasukal. Today we are talking about Jub Jub and Kelly Khumalo, who were once in love and they shared a son together. Things were not as easy. Kelly has said that the relationship was full of pain and heartbreak. She says she wants to protect her son from all the drama. Jub Jub, on the other hand, he is trying to be a father. He even went public asking to see his child, but Kelly is still firm on her decision. She wants to keep her son safe from the past, from the hurt she went through. What do you think about this situation?
If you really, really, really wanted to be part of your child's life, you would make an effort. Even
2,000 years later.
Doesn't mean Lelane, and I'm just thinking. I've been looking at a lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying. So, okokuqala, Kelly, Nonhlanhla, ngifake ibuku ukuthi because I understand what you're trying to do. Ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibona into lezama ukuyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Uye. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like Lento Lewe Nzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Bese ngibangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi shoot this, shoot that, shoot this, shoot that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. I shoot this, shoot that. Stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento leyo ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So ubheke uboy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making? Talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah. Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like. And it's just understood ukuthi yababa, yabanda, it's hard for the bosoms. So I don't want to be putting my boy through that. Going to court, afana no mama no baba going to court. I don't want to do that. You know how many times I've tried to get a hold of you to try and get a boy. Number two, you know how many times your sister, Ukumete, and your mother have been trying to talk about indaba yokuthi uboy sikehlangane aze ngibe freedom yokuthi ngibone uboy. Angazi why ulokubambezele uboy umfake ebhodleleni ngathi AI umcontroller nje ngathi ubheka uChristians usebhodleleni. Ngeke likwenza ingane yami iAI. Stop it, man. Stop it. It's not nice, it's not fair. Let uboy come back. Ungathi I'm a deadbeat dad. Ahamba uyabula.
Kelly says two things. Number one, she says, if you really want to be in your child's life, you should fight tooth and nail. I do not agree with that. I do not believe any man or any woman should have to fight tooth and nail to see their child. I believe that the parent that is the primary caregiver should give access to the child. What happens when you fight tooth and nail is that you end up spending tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of rands with lawyers, going to the high court, etc. If not, you're going up and down magistrates' courts, up and down family advocates. It costs money. It takes you away from work. And for many people, it affects your mental state.